you will see real results from my own models, okay, where I will explain how I create them from scratch.
Ahora, en Imperio IA Prohibido, te voy a enseñar cómo me he creado.
Here's some models. You can create very high quality models. Well, in fact, judge for yourself. Free from your computer. You will be able to see these models uncensored. And not just images, also videos. And yes, they are totally free too. The only thing you need is, the first website is, and I am going to show you if you can really make money with all this or not. If you came here expecting to see the typical person who will sugarcoat things and tell you that you will earn 20,000 euros a month with your first artificial intelligence model, making it with a free site from somewhere and talking to a few mature hackers from the internet who will pay for your model's photos, don't worry this. There are many channels out there, not Spanish speaking at the moment, but English and others that will tell you, and you also have many TikTok scammers who will tell you things like this. Or like this.
Instead, they take the Long Island Expressway and head east to the Hamptons.
The reality is that, yes, you can end up making money with this model, but it's not a bed of roses, it's not easy, and most of the information you'll find out there is from people who want to sell you their course. And you might ask, okay, and what about you? Don't you want to sell me your course? Well, not right now. Before I even consider doing something like that, rest assured, I'm going to give you a lot of free information on this channel. You'll find what you won't see anywhere else, and without the intention of directly selling you anything. I don't even have paid PDFs. Or courses that cost 200 euros per month. Everything you will see on this channel is 100% true. You will see real results from my own models, where I will explain how I create them from scratch, truthful ways to make your free and paid models if you want to do it easily from websites or from your computer. And in general, the only person who will tell you the blunt truth to your face without sugarcoating it with nonsense, as you'll see many creators out there. Most of them you'll probably see with artificial intelligences that will speak to you like I'm speaking now. Do I seem real to you?
¿Te parezco real? Lo soy. Si no me crees, ahora en Imperio IA Prohibido te voy a enseñar cómo me he creado. Un beso, cosita bonita.
But I am real. I am flesh and blood. In fact, right now I am live. As you can see, if you want to say hello, those who are here listening to me, say hello. And in fact, I'll tell you more. We are going to change in real time while recording YouTube to show that this is not fake.
Here's a real sign I didn't know. You might be wondering, okay, but what is this guy telling me? I don't know who you are. I don't know if you have any experience. Well, let me introduce myself. I am Last. My real name is Iñaki in real life. I don't care if people see me. You won't see my videos with AI, so my face isn't shown because I consider it as legitimate a business as many others. It's just that some people might not want to talk about it or be associated with the image, but I don't care. I am someone who has been creating content on the internet since 2014. I have lived from personal brands I have created in different niches, specifically in the cryptocurrency niche. If you want to look around, you can search Cryptolust, and there you can find my old videos. Regarding the topic of AI, OnlyFans and so on, I've done a lot of research. I've been looking into it a bit for several months. In summary, have I created models that have generated hundreds of thousands of dollars, as they might tell you out there? No, I'm just starting to do it. But the beauty of this is that I'm going to show you how I do it, how you can do it, and I'll tell you if you can really make money with all this. I'm going to give you all the tools you need. Do it. That said, you also have some models here that you can look at that have been done with artificial intelligence. I'm going to blur it logically. You can create models of very good quality. Well, in fact, judge for yourself. You yourself for free from your computer. Also uncensored images of these same models. And not only images, but also videos. And yes, they are totally free too. The only thing you need is time and effort, like everything in life. That said, if you're someone who really wants to take this seriously and wants to create your own artificial intelligence model, I have created a free Telegram group that you can join, you and anyone, and we will be there sharing models both with censorship and without censorship. You will be able to see these models uncensored. It is in the pinned comment of this video. And moving to a more practical level, I will give you some examples so you don't leave here thinking, damn, this guy has taken away my excitement about making 50,000 euros per month in my second month creating an artificial intelligence model. Don't worry, I'm going to share some of the notes I've been saving for future videos, just a few. So you can start searching without overthinking. The first website with which you can create your artificial intelligence model completely free is Digent.ai. It's a website that, besides being free, also allows you to make your photos without censorship of the model you create. Currently, as I say, I don't yet video, and if I have it, because I don't know when you'll be watching this, you'll have it around here. The future is ahead of me. Imagine how this channel is doing. Then also, another page that I've seen quite top is called Dreamina, and it's completely free. And the best part is that on that website, not only will you be able to create images for free, but you'll also be able to create videos, both with censorship and without it. And the last site I'm going to tell you about for videos is Halio AI. You have it here on the screen. It's also totally free. The only bad thing is the watermark of the page. But that's as easy to remove as cropping the bottom part when you make the video, and that's it. It's not much of a mystery. And now I'm also going to give you also sponsors, some examples of methods to reach people with your artificial intelligence, and we will delve deeper into this later. But for now, I'll give you these tidbits. First on Facebook. You might say, Facebook, that's full of old people. Yes, in fact, they are the people we most want to pay for our models. Well, what could you do to start? Well, the first thing I would do is join a Facebook group of your model's niche. This is something we will discuss later, but to summarize briefly, let's say you make a model that is focused on soccer. You know a lot about soccer, you like the topic, so the first thing you need to do is join fan groups on Facebook and start commenting as if you were a normal person, because what we are interested in with our model is for them to see that we are human, not an AI created with the internet that goes around commenting, no, we are a shy girl. Ideally, the more shy, the more you will sell, who has a genuine interest in soccer. And you have that knowledge because you're going to comment on football things, because you know about the topic, right? It could be football, it could be golf, tennis, Pokemon, and the niche that interests you. Now, the more niche, the better. Then also one of the methods you're likely to see out there is Instagram, making videos of your model dancing, moving her hips like no other.
Cuando cae la luna, tú mueves el pelo, mueves las caderas como ninguna.
And generating, well, a few hundred, ideally thousands or tens of thousands of views with those videos. To do all this well, you need to take some preliminary steps that I will also teach you later, don't worry, but I'm giving you some tips so you can see that there are many ways to do it, and in fact there are many more, okay? We have Threads, Reddit, TikTok, X, there are thousands, and in each of them, there are very good micro strategies that I have seen work, and I am going to try them myself, so you can see that I am not only going to tell you how things can be on a theoretical level, but I am also going to do it in live and then on demand on this YouTube channel. I won't go on any longer. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more like this, you know, give it a good like, comment what you thought, subscribe here if you haven't yet. And in case there are more videos on the channel, you'll see some here. Thanks for watching, a big hug. Cambio y corto.